Hello, hi you guys, and welcome back for day 3 of this 12 days of Christmas. Today we are doing this eye look using the Beautybay Earthy palette. I'm in the bathroom because I'm about to take all my makeup off, but please enjoy and yeah, let me know what you think. We're using the Beautybay Earthy palette, and we are simply going to do here what we've done here, and we're going to do it really fast. It's 6:30 and I need to be getting dressed by 7:15 and then leaving because dinner. What does that look like over there? A little bit of an up, but not a whole bunch. Meaning, yeah, that's comfortable. I'm going to dinner with a friend and I'm so keen to see her. It's been a while. She left the country and then I left the country and then I came back to the country, but she's still outside the country. It's okay because we will have a lovely evening. We're going to Ethos. I've never been. So we've primed and done the brows and I'm gonna just get going with it. I'm gonna use a nice fluffy brush and we're gonna dip into Seaweed, which is a dark green, not timer. I have 10 minutes going off. Well, I have it going off every 10 minutes because you know how important it is to know who you are. I know who I am, and sometimes I get a little bit time blind, so timers are my solution. I think one of my weaknesses via doing my makeup is symmetry. For some reason, I really struggle with getting everything perfectly aligned, all nice and the same. We're gonna go in with the color Quicksand. It's a beigey brown color, and I just want to dust the top bit of my eye, brush a little bit of that color. I'm gonna go in with Shamrock, and I just wanna diffuse ever so slightly. I get on this thing and I'm like, just chit chat with the people, tell them about life. But actually, I'm currently really boring, and I don't actually know what to tell you. I bought a camera. Maybe that's an exciting thing. Maybe the camera is what you need. So I bought it. If you guys are keen to see what camera I bought, I'll show you. I haven't figured it out yet. I'm going on a hike with my siblings, some of them, this weekend. I'm gonna dip into the color Satellite. And I could potentially, it's giving yay me by the way, play with the camera for real. The eye look. I just wanted something like cute, a little bit blown out, a little bit festive, and then like a little bit dark, because where we're going, the lighting looks like it's a little bit darker, so it can be, I think it'll be fun for photos. I must say, whoever decided tape was the move, I think I love you. Well and truly, I think I love you. My grab and go makeups over here. If you look at day 1, the foundation I used was very winter, and I just feel like I looked stupid. I was like, gorgeous babe, well done. This Fit Me, what is it? Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I'm not actually supposed to like draw them on your face, but I'm gonna be so for real with you right now. I'm going to do that. It's my personal primer. I am the only one who uses it. My sisters might use it once in like a blue moon if they need, but they also have their own primers, so it's fine. The problem with how I've done this is I don't have anything mirroring you. And maybe I should have done that first. But I don't know, I haven't had a lot of success with the whole mirror screen situation. And I thought about just filming on the front camera, but I was like, oh, the back camera always looks just so much better. Look at how great that looks. I think this is just like the shape for my eyes. And I think I know it because I go straight back to this shape every 2 seconds. The lashes I've chosen to go with. Very simple, very basic. They're the kind I actually learned how to do my lashes with because the band was skinny. And I thought, ah, yes, perfect. That will give me exactly the vibe I'm looking for. And it will be easier to do. This is the Essence All Eyes on Me mascara. I really like this foundation, skin tint. It's super nice. I like how it feels on my face. I like the match for my skin. Because you know sometimes you buy things and you've got to buy like 2 or 3 or, well 2. I never buy 3. Actually that's a lie. I do have 3 of the Superstay foundation. Like every day I'm washing makeup brushes and I just, yo, you look at that. Does that not just look amazing on my face? The concealer. While that marinates, I'm gonna go in with this Revolution matte base concealer kit in 13 to 16. The thing about a wig, right, is I tend to put them a little lower, okay, maybe a decent amount lower than my actual hairline. So then the way I must now do my face is also a little bit different, because like, okay, sure, bronze away, but like my forehead's looking teeny tiny. It's like non-existent. I like to kind of like start at the outer edge. I saw some girl doing it and I was like, is that in fact the move? It is. She is a genius. Or I guess whoever taught her is a genius. Yeah, start on the outside. Blend it so cute. Then you get like the softest blend on the outside because you don't have too much product going out. And you get like all the coverage without having to add a gajillion bits more of concealer. I'm just gonna grab the same brush I did the bronzer with, keep it like cute and just like blend out the edges of that concealer because it's looking harsh and weird and I don't like it. I tend to ask you guys if I'm boring, but actually don't tell me. I don't care to know. We are in the business of confidence building. So you can give it to yourself. Time is flying and I'm still blending. Taking my foundation brush and just cleaning up any areas where I think I might have put too much bronzer. Beauty Bubble Brush Palette. It's the OG. This is what mine looks like right now. I just bought one for my sister and one for my friend for Christmas. And I'm kind of like, I should absolutely maybe buy myself a new one. But then I see that the only one that I'm like deving is right here. And I still have the old packaging of the singles unopened. So I'm like, all right, Miss Anna, maybe we be responsible babes and we just don't overdo it. We're gonna go in with Havana. The same brush that I did my bronzer with, yes. Why? Lazy. You should absolutely use different brushes. I think it probably will result in a much cleaner blend and your makeup will come out nice, but I'm trying to beat time as I see the sun setting and my time running away from me. I'm gonna take my little sponge and we're just gonna under the eye, under this eye. Like, check it out, so much product coming off. We're just gonna bounce it across our face, all over the face, to make sure that it picks up any product I do not need on my face. My Switch Beauty press. My face, specifically like here, here, and here. It was awful. I had to fix that thing like 3 separate times before I had a plan that worked, and that was awful. So I'm starting to feel hot now, so I'm getting a bit stressed because I'm like, I don't have the time to be trying to fix it however many times. That I actually need to replace. It's in the color Warm Caramel. I'm going to use one side of this brush and just dust my whole face. Okay, so not my whole face, just the perimeters of my face. If anyone has like a sweat-proof makeup routine, please, and like, thank you. Link it to me, send it to me, let me have it. I'm going in with the Nicka K Dark Chocolate Flawless Finish Powder. That's okay, it's all right. I actually feel like I must just stop talking to you guys because we got things to get done. I miss the days where everyone was doing like full faces of makeup, like full, just to like live life. I think we were having a lot more fun then. For sure, I was having a lot more fun then. Back in with the Switch Beauty, just tap a small amount and just layer it on top because I do kind of want a natural-ish finish to my skin. And obviously when you throw as much powder as I've just thrown onto my face, I want this. This is the Switch Beauty Due Diligence in the color 3. Okay, some highlight. I'm just gonna tap it gently where I want it. And like, do you see that? Oh, what a beautiful product. And it works so nicely with makeup underneath, without makeup underneath. Versatile. You are literally just going to take CBD on the fluffy brush, take off the excess, and just run that under the eye. Run that under as well.